it, Ryan? Who is it? Who is it? Pika, Pika! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Get you! Uh-oh. You got him! You took him! The little fish! You got him! How about him? Hello? Hello, Ryan! I'm Mr. Pinky the Pig! Pinky the Pig has come to get you! Pinky the Pig! Oh, the fish is more interesting. Ryan, are you my friend today? Do you know my name? Do you know my name? Pinky! Pinky the Pig! Oh, I guess you saw my mouth moving. Okay, let's get that soap going. Say hi, everyone. May 16, 2010. Ryan getting a little washed up. Oh! I love you.